Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this simple delicious sandwich. Let's get into it. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using: some chicken, bread, milk. I'll leave all the items in the description box. I will show you how I did the chicken, like in a very special way, so you don't want to skip any of the video. So guys, let's get right into it. So first I'm just going to slice my chicken into the small pieces, and I'll be adding, this is garlic, ginger, pepper. By now you should know this recipe. And I also added some chili, some all-purpose seasoning, and some lime. Is it the liquid or whatever? Yeah, lime. And I added this milk. Guys, try to make your chicken this way, like it will take it to a whole new level. Okay, yeah, so I'm just mixing everything together. Oh, English will not stress me. And I left the chicken to marinate for like 30 minutes, and now it's time to fry. So I'm adding the chicken pieces into the oil, and we are going to fry this for about 5 minutes. And we came back to check. It was okay. I tried turning, but that big spoon was stressing me out, so I went for this chopsticks because that was more easier. So please use whatever you have available to make your life easier. Okay. And next, I flipped the other side, and then everything was ready in like 6-7 minutes. So I took everything off the fire, and I'm going to try to into smaller pieces here. So that's exactly what I was doing in the video, and ta-da, here we go. So it's now time to assemble everything. So first you put your chicken into a bowl, and I'm using some chopped pepper, onion, cabbage, carrot. You can use any vegetable you have available, but these were the vegetables I was having. So next I added some of the lime to this, and next I sprinkle some black pepper. I'm sorry I couldn't capture it, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I added some salt, and I added some all-purpose seasoning, and I added a lot of mayo. You can add like as much as mayonnaise as you want. So yeah, and now we are going to stir everything to combine. So you stir and make sure that each veggies is coated with mayo and all the spices. And next, I'm using like the normal bread, okay, with the brown sides, but I just cut the brown sides, and I'm using this butter too. So it's very simple. You take your bread, you apply some of your butter or margarine on the bread, and next you add all these goodness, your veggies, mayo, chicken. And guys, like, instead of always eating bread, bro, why don't you do this? This is super delicious. This is easy to make, like with simple ingredients. And so try this next time and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because here we are doing like quick, easy yet delicious. And I repeated the process: took bread, added the butter, and I'm going to add some of our veggies, mayo mixture, and chicken, and add one other bread slice on top, and it's as good as done. Thank you so much for watching. Try it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.